Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing another lake house vlog today. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be doing just like a very did the power go out? Wait, what? I didn't even realize that. I looked down and my stove and my microwave over here is flashing. So did the power go out? But the lights are working now, so that's all that matters. Anyways, today's gonna be a very cozy day, and I have my favorite sweater on from Hiiiii, but it got stained, you guys, really bad. And I don't know what it got stained with because I literally just threw it in the wash. I did all my whites, and then when I took this out, I was like, what is that? And none of my other white clothes got stained from that load. So I really don't know what that's from, and I'm really bummed out because I love the sweater. I hope Hiiiii still has it. I don't know if they do. I haven't checked, but literally it's so comfy and it keeps me so warm. I love it so much. So I'm sad that it has this stain on it, but now I can't wear it out of the house. But anyways, I just got some coffee. I went to Starbucks, which is so unlike me because I am a big Dunkin' girl. I love Dunkin'. Just Dunkin' is me. But I was craving Starbucks randomly for whatever reason. So yeah, I got Starbucks and then I went to the grocery store. So let's do a little grocery haul. In my last video, I was talking about how I was so happy to finally be back. I have no more travel plans, so I'll just be here for a little while. Well, I'm going back. I'm traveling again for Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna be here for about a week, and then I'm gonna go back home for Thanksgiving. I'm going back home earlier because I have a brand deal to do, and the package got shipped to my hometown, and I need to upload it before Thanksgiving. So yeah, anyways, let's do a little grocery haul because I got lots of stuff. So I got a green pepper. I'm going to be making just breakfast scrambles in the morning, and so I got a green pepper to put in there. I got an onion. I think I already have an onion, but it might have gone bad, so I bought one just in case. And then I got some meat. I wanted to get ground sirloin, but they only had ground beef there. But I got that because I'm gonna be making meatballs, and then I think I'm gonna make a cheeseburger one night. And then I got some bacon because I'm gonna be making my baked potato soup that I am so excited for. I got some eggs for breakfast in the morning, and then I got some chicken broth for the soup, which is it chicken broth or chicken stock? I honestly don't even know, but that's what I got. And then I got half and half for the soup as well. And then I got potatoes for the soup, and then also the leftover potatoes I'm going to use for my breakfast scrambler in the morning. And then lastly, I got some milk for eggs in the morning. I like to throw in a dash of milk with my eggs, and then also for the soup. And then I just got some cold brew for coffee. So yeah, that was everything that I got. Nothing too crazy. Now that I'm looking at it, literally no vegetables, but I already have asparagus, so I'm gonna be eating asparagus with some of these meals as well. But yeah, that was the grocery haul. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this away, and then I'm gonna edit some TikToks. I filmed a coffee TikTok this morning, so I need to film that, or I need to edit it and then upload it. And then I honestly just really want to finish my book. I'm so close to finishing it, and so I think I'm gonna do that and just kind of chill because I was having a great day. And then when I was doing all my errands, it turned to a bad day. So now I'm just gonna do stuff that's gonna make me happy, and that is reading a book. So that is the plan. Very long intro, but welcome to the vlog. You guys, I woke up this morning and look at all of the snow. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Let me open up the door. Look at all of the snow. That is wild. I also hate the snow, so I'm not a fan. And then also like, we have so much furniture, but also like look at that. You can kind of see how much snow we got from what was on here. It's not a ton of snow, but it definitely is there. So yeah, lots of snow. I'm literally not gonna leave the house at all today because I just do not like the snow. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys because it's snowy. So I'm about to cook a like early dinner, late lunch. It's 3:11 and honestly this is probably gonna take me like an hour to cook. So I'm gonna be having food like I said, like a late lunch, early dinner. But I'm gonna be making my homemade potato soup. This is, oh my goodness, now that I think about it, you guys, I forgot to get green onion. That is a big flop. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be making my homemade potato soup recipe. This is like my go-to recipe. It's, like I said, it's snowing outside, so I just want a good, like nice warm soup. So I'm gonna start prepping everything. So I'm gonna be cutting up, I have an onion, cutting up the potatoes, and then I'm gonna start cooking the bacon right now, and then also boiling the water for the potatoes because that's how I cook them. So yeah, I'm just gonna start chopping up everything. I have all of my pots out. This will be for the potatoes, the bacon, and then like the soup. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I just cut up the onion and then I realized that I don't have any garlic. So I'm missing garlic. So I'm gonna just put in some garlic powder instead. So I chopped up the onion, the potatoes. I have the water starting to boil, and then I'm gonna start cooking the bacon on the pan over there. And then once that gets going, then I'm gonna start on the like soup itself, but like that part doesn't take as long. So I'm gonna start on all of this first. But yeah, that is a current situation. I am currently watching Gals on the Go, their podcast. I am so happy that they put this on YouTube. I'm a big like YouTube girl, even though I'm not like actively watching it. Like I'm just listening to it, but it's nice that it's on YouTube because I like to just like listen to stuff on my laptop, and I use Apple Podcasts. I don't use Spotify. I don't know if they have like an app on there. They probably do. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna continue cooking and I'll keep you guys updated throughout the recipe. All right, soup is done. I am so excited. This looks so good. I wish I had the green onions to top with it, but I still think it'll be totally fine. But yeah, I'm so excited to go ahead and eat this. Hello guys, so it's a couple days later and a lot has happened. So the day that I started this vlog, I was in high spirits and then some things happened, so I just like didn't vlog the rest of the day. And then the following day was the day that Taylor Swift's tickets went on sale. That was, I literally, that was the worst day of my life. So stressful, so many emotions, literally was crying for hours, like so much was going on. I got tickets though, so that's all that matters, but it was just very intense and I was just so emotionally drained from that day because I literally sat on my computer from 9:30 until like 4 o'clock getting these tickets, and it was just very emotional and very draining. I'm sure if you guys follow what's going on with Taylor right now, it's just very intense. I posted some TikToks about it, so if you want to know my thoughts, go to my TikTok, but it was just a lot. And then the following day, which was yesterday, I honestly was just recovering because it was still just so, like I was just still just felt so drained. So here we are, the next day after that. It's now, is it Thursday I think? Yeah, it's Thursday. And I just did my makeup. I did a get ready with me on TikTok. So I did that and now I'm just going to be doing more content the rest of the day. It's snowing again, which I hate the snow, but here we are. So yeah, I just filmed my makeup right here. Also, I'm currently watching the new season of Dead to Me. This show was so good, and I didn't even know they were coming out with a new season. So yeah, watching that. And now I think I'm going to do some stuff for my book Instagram, some book content. Like I said, it's snowing outside, and so I got these books out here that are like my Christmas books that I have, and so I have yet to read this one, but I've read both of these two. So I kind of want to take some type of content outside since it is snowing. I just have to vlog this. So we don't have a garage up here in Wisconsin, and it's been snowing, so I want to clean off my car so the snow is not just like sitting there. But this is my outfit. You can't really see, but I don't really have snow boots, so I literally I found snow boots in the closet that I think are my dad's maybe, and then this is my dad's jacket. I know I have a winter jacket, I just don't know where it is. I think it's in a moving box somewhere, so I'm literally going out like this. I wish you could see. And I'm wearing my sweatpants. So this is the current situation. Like that's what we're working with. So let's go clear off the snow off my car, and then I'm gonna take some photos for my book content like in the snow. And then I think I'm gonna film that small town romance video. So that's what's going on. Very snowy. I have not dealt with this much snow in a while, so let's go. I also don't have gloves, but I think I have some in my car. So let's see. Just got done taking those photos and they turned out so good. I really like them. Like this is like one of the photos that I took. I don't know if you can really see, but follow my book Instagram if you guys want to see everything that I post. But yeah, I really liked the way that those turned out. But right now I am just planning my Instagram feed and I'm trying to figure out like what to post. It's actually like so time consuming. Like I never would have thought it would have been this time consuming, but also I feel like I am kind of like a perfectionist where I want everything just to like look perfect. And obviously like my feed doesn't look 100% perfect. Like there's some parts that don't always match, but I try to make them match, or at least like the 3 photos in a row I try to make somewhat match. But yeah, I basically am just trying to figure out how I want to post stuff. I have a couple more photos that I took at the lake, like without the snow, that I want to post first, because I feel like if I were to post like snowy photos and then all of a sudden like it looks like it's like 70 degrees outside, I feel like that would just like look weird. So I need to plan out those photos first before I post the snowy photos, which is unfortunate because I really like the snowy photos, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I have it figured out. Okay, so basically I'm not gonna post a snowy photo for like a whole nother week, basically. This is like my feed. If you guys wanna see what I'm even talking about, let me show you. So I use the app Teza and I pay for it. It's really not that expensive. So this is basically, so here is like how I edit all of my photos, but then if you slide over, you have a section called feed. So I synced up so this is like my book Instagram feed, and then here are like some of the photos I'm working with. So like I put in the like winter photos. I'm not gonna use that one, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. But like here are like the photos that I have, but I really wanna post this one, but like I'm saying, like I feel like it would be weird to post these photos at the lake and then like post the snow ones first, if that makes any sense. So I think I'm gonna do those 3, and then you can kind of like move it so you know what it looks like on your feed. So I think I'm gonna do something like this, and then maybe throw in, instead of that lake one, maybe throw in like a photo of myself. I don't know, that's basically just what I'm thinking right now. But this is my feed now, so it's like I tried to make these like all red and then still kind of incorporate like the red and pinks up here to down here, and then like right here all the fall time, and then like the Barnes and Noble. I don't know, that's just what it looks like right now. So it's a little bit later. I think it's like 3:30. Yeah, exactly 3:30. And I just finished filming my small town romance book recs. And so that video will come out after this one. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm really excited for it. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some leftover soup. So I went ahead and already put it in the microwave. So it should be done now. I am so hungry because I did not have lunch today because I had my breakfast so late in the day. Yay, here's my soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. And a new season of Dead to Me came out, which is one of my favorite shows. I really, really like it. I kind of forgot what happened in season 2. So I had to watch like the little recap that it does like in the beginning of the video. But yeah, I'm watching season 3 and it's really good so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and have some lunch and watch this show for a little bit and then figure out what to do after. It's like I literally just get cold looking outside because it's so snowy, but at least it finally stopped snowing, which is good because I cleaned off like a big chunk of snow off of my car. So I'm glad that's over and done with. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and have some lunch and watch. I also did my laundry, so it's all drying right there. So we are having a very good, productive, cozy little day. So it's a couple hours later. I just made myself some dinner and I just finished editing the vlog that you guys are watching right now. And so I'm just kind of getting a head start on editing because I can get into a routine of like filming something but then not editing it for like a week or 2 weeks. So I don't want to do that. So I'm trying to stay proactive and edit like right away so the content is still like fresh and it's not like something that happened like weeks ago. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. It's like 7 o'clock right now, so I kind of want to just start to wind down. I have been reading Firefly Lane and absolutely loving this book. I did not think I was gonna like it as much as I do right now. I'm a little more than halfway through, but it is so freaking good and I'm so happy because I read this book right here, Mad About You. I read this one like a week ago and I just did not like it and I was kind of like in a reading slump, so I was kind of like frustrated, like I didn't really know what to read. So I finished that one and then after that I read, shoot, what's it called? I have it somewhere. But after Mad About You, I read this book, which was literally the best book ever. I rated it 5 out of 5 stars. And I will be, oh gosh, I'm a mess. I will be talking about it in my monthly recap video. It's called Funny You Should Ask. This book was so good. So I read that one and then now with reading Firefly Lane, I'm like finally out of my reading slump, which is so nice because I was getting a little worried there for a second, but we made it out. But yeah, so like I said, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here and just kind of wind down, read my book, and enjoy the rest of the night. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already and follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys and I will see you guys in my next video.